So we're looking at Lament for a Good King, and this is bar 31 through to bar 35. So I'll just play it for you first and then we'll talk back through how we do it. Play that again. Okay, so that first little bit, so bar 31, it's a root position shape. So if you remember, the root position shape is where you have your third finger on a string, you miss the next string, second finger goes on the one after that, miss a string, and then thumb goes on the string after that. So you've got them all equally spaced. And we're going to have F at the bottom, and that gives you an A flat and then a C. Remember, you should have all of your levers down. Okay, and then with the right hand, it's the same, but up the octave. Now, we're going to play the left hand and then the right hand, but before we play the right hand thumb, the third finger of the right hand is going to go back onto that F again. So watch this. Okay, so that's bar 31 and a tiny bit of bar 32. I'll play it again. Okay, and then the next little bit is a bit like what we had before at the end of bar 29 and 30. But this time, rather than just going, we're actually going to add the third finger in as well. So it's going to be, okay, did you see that I put my second finger and my third finger on, and it was blue, two, woo, blue, and then the final note. And the final note there actually lasts for 6 beats because it's a dotted minim tied, that's the little smile underneath, to another dotted minim, so that we add them together and we get a long note that's worth 6 beats. Now, that little bit, the left hand does exactly the same thing but down the octave, so. Okay. And I don't know whether you notice, but I know I talk quite often about in fast passages that after your thumb has done its full rainbow arc, you want to bounce it back up ready to play. But here it's an opportunity for the thumb to maybe, if you want, have a little bit of a rest. So it doesn't need to bounce back up. It can just stay down if you want. So I will play you that whole little section again, and I'll try and remember to have my thumb to have a little rest at the end, okay?